Hey everyone, it's Mark here. Today we're diving into some secret tech hacks that you probably didn't know existed. These tips and tricks will make your tech life a whole lot easier, so let's get started. We're talking hidden features on your phones, keyboard shortcuts, browser extensions, and smart home automation tricks. Whether you're a tech pro or just starting out, I guarantee you'll learn something new today. So sit back, relax, and get ready to upgrade your tech game. Alright, let's kick things off with some hidden smartphone features. These are the things buried deep in the settings menu, but once you unlock them, they can totally change how you use your phone. For iPhone users, did you know you can use the back of your phone as a button? Head into your settings, go to accessibility, then touch, and scroll down to back tap. You can set it to double tap or triple tap to launch apps, take screenshots, even activate Siri. Now for Android folks, ever heard of split screen mode? This lets you run two apps side by side. Perfect for multitasking, like watching a video while texting or browsing social media while taking notes. Usually you just have to long press the app overview button and you should see the split screen option. Both iOS and Android have hidden trackpads built right into the keyboard. Long press the spacebar on your keyboard, and the keyboard transforms into a trackpad. Another cool iPhone feature is live text. This lets your phone recognize text in real time, whether it's in a photo, on a website, or even handwritten notes. You can then copy and paste it, translate it, or even search for it on the web. To use it, just point your camera at some text, and you'll see a little indicator pop up. And hey, if you're tired of fumbling around for your phone in the dark, both iOS and Android have a built-in flashlight, but did you know you can adjust the brightness? On iPhone, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen, or down from the top right corner on newer models, to access the control center, then long press the flashlight icon. On Android, it's usually as easy as swiping down twice from the top of the screen and then long pressing the flashlight icon. And here's one last bonus tip for both iPhone and Android. Did you know you can customize your phone's vibration patterns? On iPhone, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone, Vibration, Create New Vibration. On Android, it's usually somewhere in the Sound and Vibration settings. Okay, let's move on to keyboard shortcuts. Mastering even a few basic keyboard shortcuts can save you a ton of time and make you feel like a total tech wizard. First up, the holy trinity of keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl plus C for copy, Ctrl plus X for cut, and Ctrl plus V for paste. These work on both Windows and Mac. Just swap the Ctrl key for the Command key on Mac. Next, let's talk about window management. Alt plus Tab lets you quickly switch between open windows on Windows, while Command plus Tab does the same on Mac. And if you want to snap a window to one side of the screen, just press Windows key plus left arrow, or Windows key plus right arrow on Windows, or Command plus left arrow, or Command plus right arrow on Mac. For web surfers, Ctrl plus T opens a new tab in your browser, while Ctrl plus W closes the current tab. If you accidentally close a tab, you can bring it back with Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Ctrl plus F lets you search for specific text on a web page, which is incredibly useful for long articles or documents. Ctrl plus Shift plus N opens a new incognito window in Chrome, while Ctrl plus Shift plus P does the same in Firefox. For screenshots, Windows key plus print screen takes a screenshot of your entire screen and saves it to your pictures folder on Windows. On Mac, it's Command plus Shift plus 3 for a full screen screenshot, or Command plus Shift plus 4 to select a specific area. If you want to record your screen on Windows, press Windows key plus G to open the game bar, and then click the recording button. For emoji lovers, Windows key plus, period, opens the emoji keyboard on Windows, while Command plus Control plus spacebar does the same on Mac. Mastering these shortcuts will make a world of difference in your daily tech life. Alright, let's talk about browser extensions. These are like little apps that you can add to your web browser to give it superpowers. They can block ads, manage passwords, improve your productivity, and so much more. If you're not already using an ad blocker, stop what you're doing and go download one right now. uBlock Origin and AdBlock Plus are two popular options. Next, let's talk about password managers. 1Password, LastPass, and Dashlane are all great options. If you spend a lot of time reading articles online, check out Pocket. This extension lets you save articles, videos, and other content to read later, even offline. Grammarly is another must-have extension, especially if you do a lot of writing online. For those times when you need to focus and avoid distractions, extensions like Stay Focused and Freedom can block distracting websites and apps. If you're looking for a way to make your browser more visually appealing, check out extensions like Momentum. Many browser extensions have customizable settings, so be sure to explore the options and tailor them to your specific needs. These extensions can really enhance your web browsing experience. Give them a try and see how they can make your online life easier. Alright, let's talk about smart home automation. This might sound intimidating, but it's easier than you think and can make your life a whole lot more convenient. The key to smart home automation is choosing a good hub, which acts as the brain of your smart home. Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit are all popular options. Once you've got a hub set up, you can start adding smart devices like smart lights, smart plugs, and smart thermostats. These can be controlled with your voice, your phone, or even automated to run on a schedule. Imagine waking up in the morning and your smart lights gradually brighten, your smart thermostat adjusts the temperature, and your smart speaker starts playing your favorite morning playlist. One of the easiest ways to get started is with smart lights. Philips Hue, LIFX, and Wyze all make great smart bulbs. Smart plugs are another great way to add some intelligence to your home. You can plug in lamps, fans, coffee makers, or any other electronic device and control them with your voice or your phone. Set schedules for your devices to turn on and off automatically, or create routines that trigger multiple devices with a single command. A smart thermostat is a great investment for saving money on your energy bill. Nest, Ecobee, and Honeywell all make smart thermostats. Smart home automation isn't just about convenience and energy savings, it can also enhance your home security. Smart security cameras, video doorbells, and smart locks can give you peace of mind by letting you monitor your home from anywhere and control access remotely. The possibilities with smart home automation are endless. As you add more devices and explore the different features and integrations, you can create a truly personalized and futuristic living space. Don't be afraid to dive in and experiment. You'll be amazed at how much easier and more enjoyable your daily life can become. Alright, let's wrap things up with some cloud storage tips. Cloud storage has revolutionized the way we store and access our files, but it can quickly become a disorganized mess if you're not careful. First and foremost, choose a cloud storage service that meets your needs. Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive are all popular options. Once you've chosen a service, take some time to organize your files into folders and subfolders. Create a clear folder structure that makes sense to you. Consider categories like work, personal, photos, music, and so on. Use descriptive file names. Instead of saving a file as Document 1, give it a name that clearly indicates what it is, like Project Proposal, Client Name. Most cloud storage services allow you to share files and folders with others, making it easy to collaborate on projects or share memories with friends and family. Review the sharing settings to control who has access to your files. Many cloud storage services also offer file version history, which means you can access previous versions of a file if you need to revert to an older version or recover a deleted file. Another useful feature is file syncing. Any changes you make to a file on one device will be automatically synced across all your other devices. If you edit a document on your computer, the updated version will be waiting for you on your phone or tablet. Most cloud storage services offer two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. Cloud storage is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you stay organized, collaborate with others, and keep your files safe and accessible from anywhere. By following these tips, you can make the most of your cloud storage service. Keep your digital life in check, and enjoy the convenience of having your files at your fingertips. Happy organizing! So there you have it, guys. Some of the most useful tech hacks I've picked up over the years. From little-known smartphone features to the magic of keyboard shortcuts and the power of browser extensions, these tips can really make a difference in your daily tech life. Don't be afraid to dive in and explore your devices. You never know what hidden gems you might find. Thanks for watching. If you found these tech hacks useful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.